court finds that there is a manifest necessity that requires me to declare this case as a mistrial.
After 3 weeks of painstaking testimony, the jury in the Christopher Taylor murder trial could not come to a unanimous decision. 8 voted not guilty, 4 voted guilty. Doug O'Connell is one of Taylor's defense attorneys.
Chris is frustrated like everybody else. He wants to get this case over with. He wants to be able to get on with his life. This has been hanging over him for over 3 years now.
Taylor is accused of murdering Mike Ramos in the parking lot of the South Austin apartment complex in April of 2020. He was one of the Austin police officers who responded to the scene that day, officers who were told Ramos was armed. It turned out he was not.
It's a miscarriage of justice. It betrays the response that the people right on the scene had when they saw this happen live in front of them. It betrays the response of the broader community.
Chris Harris is one of the leaders of the Austin Justice Coalition and a friend of the Ramos family. He has been vocal in his protests of the shooting, but he too is frustrated with the hung jury, hoping for a guilty verdict. What's the family's response?
Of course, they're upset. Going through this trial is really tough.
Travis County District Attorney Jose Garza released a statement saying, quote, "We are grateful to the community members who served on the jury and going on to thank them for their work. There is no word right now if Taylor will go to trial again, but his attorney says they will ask again to move the trial out of Travis County."
In the event that they intend to do that, obviously we will be ready, and we will try this case as many times as it takes to get a not guilty.
But Taylor's attorneys maintain Taylor did his best, making a split-second decision and offered this to the Ramos family.
Chris asked us to convey the fact that he's very, very sorry and traumatized at this event. He understands that the Ramos family is grieving, and he recognizes and he recognizes this was a tragedy.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.